Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the 7 key differences between carburetors and fuel injection systems in vehicles. Firstly, let's discuss the basic concept of a carburetor. It mixes air and fuel before they enter the engine. On the other hand, fuel injection systems inject fuel directly into the combustion chamber under high pressure. Carburetors rely on vacuum pressure to deliver fuel, while fuel injection systems use electronic sensors and fuel pumps. In terms of fuel efficiency, fuel injection systems are generally more efficient and can provide better mileage. Carburetors tend to have a simpler design and are easier to work on, but fuel injection systems offer more precise fuel delivery. When it comes to starting the engine, carburetors may require more effort, especially in cold weather, compared to fuel injection systems. Fuel injection systems can precisely control the air-fuel mixture and adjust it based on driving conditions, resulting in better performance. Carburetors are prone to vapor lock, while fuel injection systems are less susceptible to vapor lock issues. Fuel injection systems are also capable of detecting engine problems and adjusting the air-fuel mixture accordingly, improving overall engine performance. Lastly, fuel injection systems are more environmentally friendly, as they produce fewer emissions compared to carburetors. In conclusion, while carburetors have their advantages, fuel injection systems have become the preferred choice in modern vehicles due to their efficiency and improved performance. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on automotive topics.